we're working on a new series. It's about starships, and everything you wanted to know about starships but were afraid to ask. It's a video we've wanted to make for a long time. Both of us are excited, very excited, myself in particular. There's just so much out there about space travel now, and the topic has exploded the past few years. But starships are looked at differently. They're seen as a distant pipe dream. So I decided, why not make a video on the topic? It started when I began research for a video on dark matter drives. But in the process, I realized that this was just the tip of an iceberg. It was a huge and largely unknown topic, and also poorly covered. We ourselves we talked about making, but we had yet to actually make a video about this topic specifically. There's experienced, well-respected scientists working on this, not as a distant dream, but as something to do now. But you can't find it. It's difficult to find unless you know what to search for. So that's when I made my decision, and here we are working the video. In fact, the video is in production as you're watching this. We're trying to get out as quickly as possible, but the process is being delayed. You see, we were planning on moving a year ago and said as such, but things got delayed. But now we're finally actually moving, and it's a huge distraction, as many of you have experienced yourselves. But as I've already said, we're excited to share this with you. To this effect, we prepared a short 30-second clip from part 1 of the series. The Valkyrie is a single-stage relativistic starship powered by antimatter. Unlike most starship designs which push their cargo, requiring heavy, sturdy structural bracing that limits their length, the Valkyrie would instead pull its cargo behind unstrung tethers, like some kind of gigantic space-age chariot. By using tethers with a very high strength-to-mass ratio, made of something like carbon nanotubes. That's all we're showing you for now. Now, before I go, we have a question for you, our viewers. What should we call the series? Comment and give us your suggestions. And until next time, keep wondering about space.